This is my 1989 286 12 megahertz with a math coprocessor installed. It is currently set up with two 40 megabyte MFM drives and a 1.44 megabyte floppy and a 1.2 megabyte 5 1/4. It has a VGA output, Sound Blaster 2, and a few modifications just as time went on to keep this thing alive. This has a set of 3 AA's for the CMOS battery that are rechargeable with an iCAD chemistry instead of the barrel cell that usually leaks by this point in time. Let's start it up. Hopefully when I go into the BIOS of the keyboard works. This computer has a bit of a bug with its clock circuit. It works properly when it's running, but when you shut it down, it stops counting. So it shows the date of when it was last run, which in this case is December 13th, 2025. Let's update that. Okay, everything else looks good. Let's go for a reboot and load into DOS. And it's going to be cranky. Fix the cables. That all works. So let's try for Norton Utilities. I'm going to go straight to system info just to see how these drives are. Going to benchmarks. Now, I will say something about this procedure. If it was a cold day, normally you'd have to wait for these drives to get nice and warm. But it is currently 27 degrees Celsius in the house, so there shouldn't be as much risk with this. That was the Miniscribe. And this will be the Mitsubishi. Everything's right where it should be. So get out of this and prepare to shut down. Normally with MFM drives you would have to send a park command. These two don't require it, but I will send one anyway. Drive's parked, ready to shut down. More videos will be coming because I've got lots more drives to test.